Much of my work over the past 2 decades have been rescue missions after the damage is done and the lawyers have been called in, saving homeowners from crooked con artists who called themselves contractors and trying to get in there to help restore their forever home. I am tired of cleaning up the mess. Home Field Advantage is our preemptive strike against crime on behalf of homeowners. Believe it or not, building, improving, maintaining your dream home can be a joyful experience. But most homeowners are worried about getting ripped off, and rightfully so. We're leveling the playing field for homeowners against the crooked con artists who call themselves contractors. Don't let what you don't know cost you a fortune. Get the Home Field Advantage. My name is 𝗷𝘂𝘀𝘁. I've been a residential remodel and renovation contractor for over 2 decades. I have seen it all. But the call we got in January of 2024 absolutely broke my heart. Jane reached out to us, and she had talked to us the year prior about doing an open concept for her, taking out a wall between her living room and her kitchen. And we had given her a ballpark order of magnitude price of what that might start at. Well, she found somebody else on Angie's list, and apparently well reviewed, and apparently had insurance, and he wrote a number down in the back of the business card that was about half of what we had told her it was going to be on the phone. We got the heartbreaking call in January. This contractor had allowed the second floor of her home to drop over an inch, damaged the tile in her master bathroom, destroyed drywall throughout the second floor. He cut off and abandoned 6 different HVAC ducts between the basement and the second floor, leaving her infant child's bedroom without heat and with no air return. It was a horrifying experience. We wound up quoting over $60,000 to repair the damage that this contractor had done. The lawyers were brought in, the structural engineers were coming in, but at this point, it was just overwhelming. While we primarily serve clients here in southern Chester County, Pennsylvania, we've been getting calls from all across the country asking for help after watching our YouTube videos and the projects that our team has been completing here locally. The stories have often involved contractors who stole money and never completed the job, or they did a job halfway and then they left, or they damaged a customer's home. The emotional toll that these bad experiences have taken is almost as bad as the financial loss they caused, and I don't want you to be their next victim. We felt it was our duty to step in and expand our services beyond our local neighborhood here and become your renovation coach, giving you the Home Field Advantage. We have several support levels available for purchase down below, a simple 15-minute phone call all the way up to a package of several 50-minute Zoom sessions, or even having the opportunity to maybe fly us out to help you in person. I'm here to coach you in how you can safeguard your home during the repair and the renovation project. That could be as simple as answering a few questions, or as involved in helping you develop the scope of work so that you can get competitive bids and quotes that compare apples to apples between multiple different contractors. We'll talk about background checking your potential contractor, reviewing the job detailed specifications, and so much more. Sure, you could go through our 400 videos on our YouTube channel on your own, but my experience says most people won't. With our Home Field Advantage program, our team will send you links to specific relevant videos, and we'll be there to help you every step of the way to answer questions as you repair or transform your forever home. With the Home Field Advantage, we will teach you how to identify, verify, and hire trustworthy contractors and supervise their work with confidence and authority. Home Field Advantage serves as a proactive defense for homeowners like yourself, ensuring that building or repairing your dream home is a joyful and worry-free experience. So bring us along to protect your investment and bring your vision to life. Purchase one of the options down below, and let's get your project started today.